How to get monetized on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become eligible for YouTube monetization, including the latest subscriber and watch time requirements, and how to apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning revenue for your content. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over, open YouTube, make sure you're signed into your account, and then you gotta click on YouTube Studio. So once you do so, you'll be redirected to YouTube Creator Studio. So make sure that your channel is running and you do have some videos in order to, keep your channel running. So over here at the left side, you'll be able to see an option of earn. So simply click on earn. And now it says you can become a partner. So there are many ways to earn. You can watch page ads. So you can earn from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. You can get short feed ads such as earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the shorts feed. And memberships create a fan club of members paying monthly for access to exclusive perks. Supers engage with fans who show support through one-time interactive purchases. Shopping share products across your channel from your own store. And then we have some creator support and tools. You can chat and get email support and copyright match tools, giving fundraisers. So the question is, how do you join? So you get a reach requirement to apply. And now you can see that it is showing data, but since I don't have the channel running, so it shows 0 subscribers. But you must have 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized. And you could have one of the followings, like this is must, and you gotta have a choice between these two, that you gotta have at least 4,000 watch hours for YouTube videos and 10 million views on shorts. And then the second step is completing two-step verification and follow community guidelines. And third is pass channel reviews. After you submit your application, they'll check if your channel follows YouTube channel monetization policies. And once done, you can simply head over. So it says want to be emailed. When you hit these requirements, you can click on email me, so that when you reach these requirements, YouTube is gonna send you an email that yes, you can monetize your channel right now. So that is basically how you can get monetized on YouTube. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.